Good afternoon. Today I'm at South Holston near the boat ramp. I think I'm going to hop a few spots around the boat ramps and see if I can't catch a few bass. Let's see how we do today. Well, see you, bud. Hey, there's a good one. And not bad at all. Let's see. Get kind of a measurement. Let's let her go. Nice. Yeah, before I end here, I was wanting to talk a little about the baits I was using today. This is the Keitech 2.8 swing impact fat. And I use these a lot, but this is the Big Bite Baits Pro Swimmer in a 2.8. And just to show you, right here, 2.8. And you probably see right off that these are bigger than the Keitech. Not by much, just a little bit, but you know, they should be labeled as a 3-inch, I believe. But I also took 2 of them out so I can show you closer. Yeah, there's the difference in length. Also, the body is more of a V shape. It's like the top is flatter than on the Keitech. And I noticed that when you fish this one faster, it's got more of a wide body roll. But when you fish it slow, it's almost the same as this. This has a, you know, really tight body roll, but this one has a wide, you know, it just goes kind of all the way around. I do think, you know, if I used a 1/0 hook instead of the #1 hook, you know, it might be a little better. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up real quick. Well, we ended up catching a few fish today. Had a pretty good time. Tried out a bait I don't usually use, a little bit bigger version of the swim bait. Seemed to do well. That's what got us our biggest fish today anyway. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. if I put out new fishing videos, it's usually on a Sunday.